One of the very useful features included in packages is the ability to identify the wait time, the manual, the auto and the walk, broken out by the individual activities here. You can see here's my groupings. So here's my part production. If I go to part production on the job element sheet, you can see again my wait, my manual, the auto and the walk. So these two here add up to 5.43. If you come back over here, you can see it's been rolled up here. Now, by default, everything will go in as manual. So if you don't use these, that's fine, you don't have to show them here. But if they're in there, all the time will be assigned as being manual time. But you may of course want to change that so that you can see the differences here if we change it from manual to one of these other categories here. And the way you do that is quite simple. You come back over to your process here. You're going to show all detail. So you have to see all the individual items. And then what you can do is you come over here and you go to your work breakout. So I can click on that, select work breakout, give it a couple of seconds, and it will come up here. And now you can assign, see everything is assigned as being manual. So if some of these activities, I'm just going to do this at random just to show you how it works. You select the weight items you just click on, right? And then it will make each of these different items, these will be assigned as being wait items. If you get any automated ones, and again I'm just doing this randomly, not looking at it, just to show how it works, you just click on the activities that are automated. Any walking, you might say these are predominantly walkings elements here. Right, so you've now assigned these ones here. So you can see here, for instance, I have a series of tasks in here, and we want to assign that to a particular package. Okay, when you finish, just close out of it. Just like before, you go back to your show all details, and then you go to show groupings. And now we're going to develop a package for this one right here. Right mouse button, package. I'll do my package station. I want to create an ACS package here. So I click on that, come down here, I'm going to give it a new name here. So I'm going to find my Timer Pro. I'm going to go to my packages. Again, you can put this anywhere you want. I just like to keep it somewhat organized here. And this is going to be, I'll create a new one here, and I'll call it ACS Demo 2. Press the enter and then click on the OK. And it's going to go away and it's going to build up this particular job here. And now you can see I'll just finish it off here, brings it back over here. I can double click on any line, it will bring it back up again. Right? And you can see now I've got it broken out by wait, manual, auto and walk. So for instance, look at this add security handle. It's actually made up of elements. Some of it's wait, some of it's manual, some of it's auto. I can go back over here and show you this here. These are my three activities in the add security handle, and if I go back to my work breakout and select it here, you can see I have a manual time, which is a green. I have an auto time, which is blue, and I have a wait time, which is the red. And that's what you see. You can actually see the values if I hover over it. Just close out of this. So my manual time is 7, my auto time is 13, and my wait time is 3. If I come back over here to my sheet here, there's my 3, my 7 and my 13. They're actually on the cover sheet here. If I go down to the add security handle, you can see there's my 3, 7, 13 being rolled up into the cover sheet again. So it's a very easy way to assign particular characteristics of the elements you're dealing with here that can be used as part of your package.